How to fix Instagram story music not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your Instagram music not working problem. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Instagram app. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Instagram. If you see update sign, tap onto update. Open your app once you have updated it and get logged into your Instagram account. From here, tap onto your profile. You might be also facing this problem if you have your account switched to professional or creators. Now, in order to change your account type into personal, tap on three bar icon, scroll below, and under for professionals, tap on creator tools and controls. In here, tap on switch account type and tap on switch to personal account. Tap on switch to personal account again and refresh your page. Now try again adding the music and that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.